again, Steve from All Star Case Breaks. We're doing 2019 Bowman Chrome Baseball for Ryan. Good luck, man. We'll have to find the Super Refractor for Ryan. Good luck, good luck. Hey, there's a Vlad rookie right off the bat. So, Victor, what's Ryan going to hit out of this? Any predictions? All right, here we go. Jonathan Machado for the Cardinals. Move this back just slightly. Whit Merrifield, 401 of 499 for the Royals. Marte Blue. Man, I wish. Drew Waters, Eloy rookie. Urias rookie. Royce Lewis purple out of 250. Pete Alonso. Oh man, if you got a Guerrero, a Tatis, an Alonso, pretty much all the rookies in one box. Oh, nice pick on the box for your Yankees. 49 of 99 green, Luis Gil. There's the Vlad rookie. Yeah, that was a good green. A Maya stat tracker. Harper, Arizona Fall League alumni. Mitchell White out of 499.